Factorise 4m plus 12. So when factorising an expression, we want to find a common factor for all of the terms. So in this expression we had the terms 4m and 12. So we want a number which we can divide both 4 and 12 by. Now there's two options for this. We can either choose the number 2 or the number 4. However, if we want this expression in its simplest form, we can factorise out a 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 4 and we're going to put it on the outside of a bracket. And we're going to divide both of these terms by 4. So 4m divided by 4 will give us m, and then 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. And this is our factorised expression. Now if we wanted to check our answer, we could multiply this back out and check that we get the original expression. So we can do this by multiplying the 4 by both the m and the 3. And this would give us the original expression of 4m plus 12. And this question's worth 1 mark, and that's for the correct answer. Choose 2 words from the box above to make this statement correct. 5y is a blank in the blank 3x plus 5y. So it's helpful to understand what all these words mean in this box. So an expression is something which won't contain an equals sign or an inequality sign, but contains at least 2 terms and must have a plus or a minus or both in. An equation is something which will contain an equals sign. A formula will also contain an equals sign, however it's used to explain a rule. An identity will contain an identity symbol, which looks like this. An inequality will contain an inequality symbol, which could look something like this. A term is a single number or letter. A factor is a number which can be multiplied by another number to give a product. And then a multiple is the product of 2 whole numbers. So using these words, we can now fill in these gaps. So 5y is a blank in the blank 3x plus y. So we can see that 5y is contained in this 3x plus 5y. However, it's not a factor or a multiple of it, meaning it's just a term. And then 3x plus 5y does not contain any equality or inequality symbols, meaning it's an expression. So 5y is a term in the expression 3x plus 5y. And this question's worth 2 marks. We'll get 1 mark for writing that 5y is a term, and the second mark for saying that 3x plus 5y is an expression.